Hey, I'm Chris Harris. I'm the Senior Product Manager at Metabo HPT, and today I have one of our new Gen 2 21 degree 18 volt cordless framing nailers. So this is the NR1890DRA. This is the 21 degree plastic strip framing nailer, and I just want to go through a couple of the features with you today. So with this tool, we've improved it to now it is 1 pound lighter than the previous version. So a lot easier to maneuver overhead nailing and things like that with less fatigue. We have changed the magazine material from plastic to aluminum, so you won't have the issues with stuff getting jammed in there, getting clogged up. We have improved the control panel here. You can see the buttons are easier to read, easier to identify what does what. We've improved with a better rafter hook on the tool. A little bit lighter, not quite as big, but it does still swing out of the way and it is ambidextrous. And another feature that we have done is improved the nose piece. So when you're doing toenailing work, it's a little more aggressive and you don't have to worry about the tool slipping when you're driving in at angles. So we're gonna load up the magazine here and fire a couple of nails. This tool does come as a kit with a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag. So we're going to load up a couple of nails here. So turn on the tool. This tool does also have bump fire and sequential mode. We're going to start in sequential. Change to bump mode. So here we have our NR1890DRA 21 degree plastic strip framing nailer. We also offer this tool in a 30 degree paper tape framing nailer.